So how I can control many applications just with my fingertips? Well, today I have it right over here, the Stream Deck from Elgato. I'll show you this right now. How are you doing, everyone? My name is Dario from MEDIABOXENT. Have to remember the shortcuts right from your keyboard. Right combination, I control L, plus, or whatever you have to do, right? It's so hard to remember. Plus, if you look into video editing, music, or a simple control many applications right from the fingertip. And I think definitely the solution is the Stream Deck that I want to show this right now. We have two versions here today on my desk. I have here the 32 keys and the 16 keys. I love this because you can reprogram any way you want it. As you see here, they allow you to set up to 32 keys plus subdirectories too. I put some GIF animators so it looks real cool. So you have all this. And when I go up, I set up the way I want it. You can create subdirectories, and then you can do another subdirectory with same directory. And you can control many programs. In my case, they said I control my Wirecast here. You can control Twitch, you can control YouTube, you can control any type of application you want to control over right from the keyboard. Now, in this case, this one is the small version, and you can see that this one, it has a different design. All right, it's a USB 2.0 or 3.0. That's perfect, doesn't require much. And this is the 16 version. This is the first design. I still use it, but this I use it for my laptop to control sound effect. You see here, I put some cool GIF animator. Now here it's already full, but here I can put another directory and create another, right? Another 16 program of key, and then leave one off or three off, and now we can create subdirectories. This is all my sound effect keys you can use for control any other devices. How you set up this thing? And it's pretty simple. The way it works, you just load up the app. Let me click this up, and you see it right over here. So let's say now, this is the one hooked up on this computer. The small one is hooked up to a laptop. In reality, we can run many versions, so you can put together 3, 4, 5, or 6 if you want. This is the Stream Deck XL because it's the big one. So you have a lot of profiles. So if another one will be 1, 2, 3, and you can run as many you want altogether. Very simple. You click over here, and you can create a folder or create a multi-action key. But the nice thing, you just grab whatever. Okay, you want a sampler, you just grab this thing, throw it there, load up the sampler title, how it's going to happen, and it shows right there. Let's say you want to create some hotkeys here. So we're going to go, and we go into System, and we create the hotkey. We trip it right there, and you put the title, assign the key, whatever it is. Let's say space H. So let's say no, Control H. So that again. All right, so Control H, and then you got Control. You do Control H Shift. You can do that. So the only thing you have to do is figure out what key the software is using for Photoshop or whatever software you're using, and then copy and put it right over there. When you press that key, that's going to happen. Pretty simple. Then you can go and put another picture if you want, or upload a GIF animated photo there. Then it has a nice preset one. They say if you want, like for Twitch, right? In the case, they say the Twitch here, profiles, the latest scenes, or whatever. You just put it right over there, and it's automatic preset. In my case, I about 90% that all my creation, but you can have those done already. Different sound, control audio samples, and then game capture. If you had OBS, you have all the things for OBS, and then it has a bunch of preset. Get more, and that's some of them using, like the Bitcoin tickets. They have different ones here you can activate. They're like pre-program and pre-program keys, even for the water there, sound, lighting, and you can see PLC remote, battery, whatever hue you got there. So whatever you want to control, dump through it there, and automatically it's preset for you, which is we'll have to type some little information there, and it's all done. So it's pretty programmed for you. Or you can just from scratch create your own keys. You're a streamer, a YouTuber, or content creator, but just simple. If you like to get shortcuts on websites or any type of software you're going to be using all the time, I said definitely either the 16 keys or the 32 keys. They are great. So the unit compatible, yes, this right now is working on Windows 10, but also works perfect in Mac OS as well too. All right, guys, that's it for now. Now, to grab one of these cool Stream Decks, they're pretty simple. Just grab the link right below this video. See you next time. Bye.